What is going on, guys? DJ from Tide&TimberNW. Today we got some bass fishing out here at Stevenson. Got my dad and my brother with me, so hopefully we can kill him today. I think we're just gonna go Ned rig today. Copper truce. Ooh. First one of the day, first cast. That's crazy. On the copper truce, bro. Ooh, he swallowed it almost. I might need help with this one. I just don't want to kill it. It's just gonna have to do. Bent it all up off that last fish, but whatever. Second one of the day, little dink. He don't look bad. You talking to me? Am I your way?
No, I'm gonna go that way.
Oh, he bit that like right by the boat. I didn't even realize I had. Oh, came off right at the top of the water. I got to see him. It was all right. It wasn't nothing crazy. Dang it! It's this bent up hook. No, I barely set the hook on him. Let's get back out here. Literally like 10 feet off the boat. He just bit me like right here. Wasn't really expecting that. This looks crazy in the sun. There he is. No, that's a rockfish. Bro, they're playing with it. As I'm just skipping across the bottom, they're down there playing with it. Come on, bro. There he is. I knew they was down there playing around. Little small one. A little dink. You want him? That's not a bad one at all. Let me get the net. Let me get the net. Ooh, come on. There you go.
Usually it's semi-fake stuff. That's enough of that. You got another one? Oh, that's a decent one. I haven't even got a hole in the water. I ain't too busy filming.
Another budget setup. I think the whole day I'm just going to use budget setups just to show you don't need a couple $100 for a pole and a bait.
If the camera's $300 in the battery, I'll have to take 200 for this one.
I casted right into some weeds with these treble hooks. Downside of using all these hooks over here.
Right.
What? You on? I'm on. Off the crankbait too. Ooh, it's not a bad one. There we go. Bought this in Clear Lake. I never even got the chance to use it. Let's get back to it. It's too weedy for this right here. I got one on it though. That was my biggest one today so far. Got this out at Clear Lake.
It looks like a lucky crawl.
Back to the net rig. It's way too weedy for the crankbait. Oh, that's you dragging me. It's so weedy over here. It's been almost a month. Oh, is that a perch? Looks like a nice one. They be looking much bigger in the water.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, that's not bad at all. There you go. There you go. Cool. They don't look too bad.
Is it going? Oh yeah.
That's not bad at all. I gotta pick up the pace. I'm over here getting outfished. A lot of weeds in here, and I'm just trying to get inside the holes. Maybe I need to put this Ned rig down. He took the worm too?
A little warm. He got hit it off the top?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
See, and I'm throwing a bait through here. They like. You try taking the bait?
No.
Probably caught over 10 at the first spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, he caught a bunch of them. Throwing them out in the coves in the middle. And oh, I seen that. Hopefully.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one behind it.
Is there?
Yep. Look. Oh wait, there was though.
He's there. He's there.
I seen him too. I thought it was the one you guys.
He bites.
He hit it good too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope I got that on front.
That's the third bite in the last 5 casts.
Right.
Oh, we got a double. That one's a lot bigger.
Oh, you really went faster rather than slower. It makes it a little more.
There he is, right up underneath the boat. Ooh. Come here. That's probably my biggest one of the day right here.
We're going to enlarge it anyway.
You're not a bad one either. He's little though. It looked like a good one. Hold him up still, because I can still do it.
Oh, is it? Wait, I gotta go all the way. Good one?
Oh, we trying to take a thumbnail.
Way out there, too.
Yep, that's cool. Back on the nag rig. Oh! Where he at? There he is. Oh, dang, you can smack his head on the boat. There we go.
Another one with him, look. Oh, that's a better one, too. Look, I'm trying to get my...
I just seen him swim away.
He's still down there. Oh, he's still there.
Where? Oh, is he gonna take it? Wait, just stay there, just stay there.
He's hanging out below. He was better one, too. Possible hopper will hold this beauty, but he got it.
Whopper plopper would be fine.
Look, it's flat enough in here.
Looked like something might just come out from the side of it.
On this big old rock.
This is gonna be a fish. I got money on it. I got money. This is a fish.
Lost a couple of decent ones, I could feel. Say that again. Hello? Yeah, but you cutting out.
Oh,
No, just maybe a couple of white caps out there. White cap. Doesn't look like a bad one. Sound like a good one.
Oh, did you see that? I was on the way out the water.
Probably thought it was getting away.
On the way out the water and you gonna chase. There we go. It's like back-to-back action. That's a nice one. Bro, what? No way. Look at this. Braid just cut from the reel, bro.
Did it?
Yeah.
You gotta pull it in and get the blade back.
How is that even possible? All right, you guys, so thought about, if I had to estimate, 50, 60 fish. Estimate, rough estimate. Caught a lot of fish on crankbaits. A lot of fish on crankbaits. A lot of fish on Ned rigs. The wind's picking up, so we gotta start heading back. Great day though. Nothing crazy, no 4 or 5 pounders or nothing like that, but regardless, great day. Gotta start working on getting our faces more in the footage, more of our conversations, things like that, but we trying. So until next time.